Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on the iDrive and select Time/Date to access the clock menu. This applies to most BMW X3 models with iDrive. Use the iDrive controller. Rotate the knob to highlight items, press the knob to enter selections, and back out with the back button. If your X3 has a digital instrument cluster, you can alternatively open the cluster menu to find Time/Date settings. Locate whether the system is set to automatic or manual. Automatic uses GPS or phone time, and manual lets you directly set hour and minute values. Choose manual time entry in the Time/Date menu, then rotate the controller to set the hour and press the knob to confirm the selection. Rotate the controller a second time to set minutes, press to store the new time, and then use back to exit the menu. The display will update to show the new clock setting immediately. If you prefer 24-hour time, open Time Format and toggle between 12:00 and 24-hour display. Always check AM versus PM when using 12:00 format to avoid a 12-hour error. Enable automatic time in Time/Date to sync the clock via GPS or a paired phone. This keeps the clock accurate across time zones and daylight saving changes without manual input. On older BMW X3 models without iDrive, open the instrument cluster menu and press and hold the odometer reset button for about 3 seconds until the hour digits flash, then use short presses to advance hours and minutes. After finishing, confirm the time shown on both the center display and instrument cluster match. Check and correct if there is a 1 minute or more discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.